Real Talk Rebels. This podcast is not only for women, however, we have built a strong community of rebels. Yes, we rock our scars, and we're sexy with it. It's no judgment, it is no thought process. We just want you to come into our community and be yourself. Be embraced by love, genuine sisterhood, as well as a crazy fun time. See you guys in the inside every Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rebels, you rock. And know that you're the best, better than the rest, and nothing less, because you are made by God. Peace, love, and blessings. See you on Wednesday. Ew.
I know one thing for me was my battle was my age. I was 23 at the time, and I had sorry, and I had to. It took me a year to get a hospital, a doctor to listen to me. By the time I got somebody to listen that something's wrong with my body, I'm not okay, I'm having pain, I had progressed to a stage 3 breast cancer. And unfortunately, at that time, I had to have an exploratory surgery so that to really be figured out. Because my boot had turned purple, my nipple had inverted, and I'm just grateful that I finally had somebody who really listened to me, but I had to advocate for myself. I had to have enough strength for myself to not listen to the diagnosis. The breast cancer doesn't hurt, so it's not cancer. It's this, it's that, it's this, it's that. And I went to every hospital in Dallas, every hospital. I even drove 30 minutes into Denton for another hospital trying to get out of Dallas County just to get somebody to listen to me because I was in so much pain and everything. So, you know, that's my story and my battle is that when they try to go by the book based off of your age, and, you know, it's not always a cookie cutter situation because mine wasn't.
Be like, yo, my sister needs help. And that's it, period. And then whatever encouragement we can give each other, and that's what we do. We run to each other and say, bam, whatever you need, man, I got you. And I think if the world could take one thing from us, it would be like, man, when I know when I was diagnosed, like money couldn't solve anything, a car couldn't solve anything. All I wanted was my family and love. That's it. Like, if they can learn something from us, man, it's like love goes a long way.
Hey T, how was the podcast?
So, you know, I had an amazing evening just now. I did a Zoom with fellow cancer survivors, and it was
Wait, can you imagine what she's about to say? The feeling of being liberated? If you missed last week's show, no worries. We're here every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Did you say you may want to be on our show? DM us and we'll set you up for your very own spot. And as always, you're welcome every week to join us. So this week we have our last week members as well as our new members. And yes, I forgot to say our Rock My Scars is international. So stay tuned for the fun. Again, every Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rebels, you rock. As always, real talk,